Hello everyone and welcome. I'm the wandering Doggo and today I will take you to Dafnoudi Beach. We are in Greece, in the beautiful island of Kefalonia, and in particular this beach is located in the north of the island between the villages of Magganos and Fiskardo. In a place called Antipata, you have to turn left from the main road, then follow the smaller road until the end. The particular thing of this beach is that you cannot reach it by car. But after you park your car, you have to do this beautiful path, which is very well kept, clean and easy to do. So don't be afraid and enjoy this 10-minute walk into the forest that will take you to this beautiful small beach. You won't be disappointed, trust me. Here I am speeding up the video, but in real time it will take you around 10 minutes to reach from the road to the beach. And then coming back, it will take you around 15 minutes maybe, because you are going uphill, so it will take you a little bit longer. And don't worry, it will be a relaxing walk, as most of the path is in the shadow, as you can see. So even when it's hot, you will not feel it too much. So if you're a nature lover, I really recommend this beach for you. You should definitely come to Dafnoudi and enjoy this little hike in this beautiful forest. Just remember to wear some comfortable shoes and keep in mind that there will not be any snack bar or anything on the beach. So bring your own water and food. Also, please be respectful of the nature and don't leave anything behind you. Usually the beaches on Kefalonia are very clean, but in case you find some plastic, maybe something that comes from the sea that has been washed away by the waves, just put it in a bag and bring it back with you so you can throw it in the trash. That's what I always do whenever I found myself into the nature, to keep the things clean and nice. As you can see, on the right here we have these beautiful ancient walls that were made by simply stacking up stones without any concrete or anything to hold them. And they are still doing their job perfectly, even after I don't know how many years, maybe even more than 100. And I'll tell you more, if you like to explore the woods around the island, you will find many other paths like this, with ancient walls and even some ruins. And that's because people used to walk straight through the woods before the invention of the car and making the big roads that we have nowadays. Okay, this big opening that you can see here was not made on purpose. Actually, it is the result of what happened in 2020. If you ask the locals, they will tell you that in September 2020, they had this huge hurricane coming through the island and bringing destruction everywhere. It lasted 48 hours, from the 17th to the 18th of September. Fell down many trees, destroyed many paths, brought down huge rocks from the mountains, mud flows. It was a real disaster. Luckily nobody died on this island, but still the damages were huge. But yeah, we finally reached the sea, so let's forget the bad things and let's enjoy this amazing beach. This video was taken in the last part of June, and as you can see, the beach is not crowded. Maybe because some tourists don't like to hike in the forest, but it's better for us. Well, as you can see, there is a boat just over there in front of the beach, and this is something that should not be done. Actually, it's even illegal to put your boat just in front of a small beach. But this is something that happens everywhere on the island, so you just have to be lucky not to find any boat. And to be honest, this boat in particular was not a problem, because the people were very polite and they didn't do anything wrong. Even though sometimes you can find maybe people that put extremely loud music from their boat, destroying the peace of all the beach, and even sometimes assholes that will empty the boat's toilet just there in front of the beach. That is very disrespectful, disgusting and unhealthy. While the official rule says that boats should anchor 500 meters away from the beach, remember that we are in Greece, so these kind of rules are never applied. But at least with common sense you should stay 50 or 60 meters away from the beach, even to avoid putting in danger the swimmers nearby. Anyway, let's just enjoy these beautiful crystal waters. And if you're coming here, don't forget to bring a face mask to enjoy snorkeling, because you can find a lot of fishes and beautiful creatures, as the water is very clear and it's a wonderful show of nature that you cannot miss. Now here on the right, as you can see, there is a cave. It is accessible by the water and also by the beach, but the passage is a little bit tight, so it's not so comfortable. It's better to reach it swimming. Today we haven't seen many fish, but usually there is a lot. It's just about luck. I'm sorry for the drops of water on the camera, I didn't realize it when I was filming. But you can still appreciate the beauty of the rocks and of this cave. Caves are not uncommon on this island because of the geological conformation, but this one in particular is very beautiful, even though it's a very small one. I've heard that in this cave sometimes the monk seals will come to take a rest and enjoy, but it's very difficult for you to find them, as they are very shy and they will go away when they hear some people. Unfortunately, in 6 months on the island, I have never seen a seal. Once I saw a sea turtle. They are amazing. And so yeah, here we are in the cave. It's not a big one. It's like the size of a medium room. Perfect place to come with your girlfriend and enjoy some private fun. That one is the passage from the beach, and you see it's very narrow. Much better to come by swimming. Ah, so good to relax here. You can chill out from the sun if it's very hot. As you can see, there are some graffiti on the walls. They are from the 70s. So yeah, luckily people stopped doing this kind of bullshit. And so there are not many. Yeah, the last graffiti is from 1997. I really hope no one else will have this stupid idea to put spray paint on these beautiful rocks. Okay, time to go back to the beach. Let's enjoy a little bit more of these crystal waters. I love how the sun creates these waves of light. They're mesmerizing. And so, if you reached so far, thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and put a like, because it's free. And it really helps my channel grow. If you're planning a visit on the island, check out my other videos, as I will show you some other beautiful places that are very abundant on this beautiful island. I'm the wandering Doggo. Peace.